Hi guys, if you are a homeschooling parent, you know how challenging it can be to find resources that meet your child exactly where they are. So I want to show you my favorite online resource, and that is IXL. You can see here on my IXL homepage this dashboard. This dashboard is going to show us a few different things. First of all, I am logged in as a parent, but I am viewing my daughter Emerson's dashboard. So as I scroll down, I can see recent skills she's practiced. I will also be able to see recommendations that have been made for her. And if I want to assign specific skills, I can do that and they would pop up right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you the learning section of IXL. Within IXL, you can select the different topics that you want your child to work on. I'm going to go ahead and click into math. And as you can see here, when you scroll down, there will be a list of all of the grade levels that you can choose from, all the way down through some high school topics. I'm going to go up here to fourth grade. This is what my daughter is currently practicing as she is stepping into fifth grade next school year. When I click into fourth grade, there are going to be many skills for her to practice. Each skill is separated into the section that it belongs with. For example, all of the multiplication by one-digit numbers, all of the different skills that fall under that umbrella will be listed under this J topic. I can hover over the skill and see exactly what type of questions are going to be asked in this skill preview. It gives you about 4 questions just to kind of preview and make sure that you are clicking into the right thing, and then also gives you a video preview as well. Now, back up at the top, I'm going to show you a few different things that you can click on when you are in your specific grade level and subject. We are already viewing those 401 skills. That's the skills that I just scrolled through. There are also 69 lessons within the fourth grade math section. And when I click on the 69 lessons button here, it's going to show me all of those lessons, and these are clickable. If I want a lesson on place value, I would click here and I would have a lesson specifically geared towards place value. And then I could also see some other resources that would help with that skill down here at the bottom, or specific related skills and lessons over here on the right-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and click back to show you that there are also videos that your child can watch, and videos that will pop up if your child does answer incorrectly on any of the questions that they are trying to answer. For example, for place value, they can watch this place value models video. I'm going to play just a few seconds of that.
What are place value models? Here we see 4 different size blocks. Each block represents a different value. Starting on the right, we have a small cube.
Okay.
We will use
So
this.
these videos are extremely informative, and they go into enough detail to give your child a good idea of what is expected of them when they're practicing that skill. Okay, clicking back again, you can see that there are also games that go along with these fourth grade math skills, and they are listed here. So these look the same. However, there is a gobble squabble game on division. There's another one on multiplication, and then there's one on multiplication and division, which is a good idea for getting that mixed practice. So they have different games like that for different skills within your specific grade level. I think that is super helpful. The last thing up here is the fluency zone, and this is new to IXL, as you can see with that little new tab there. For the fluency zone, this is for them to practice their math facts in whatever grade level you have specified for your child. They also have worksheets down here that you can print off, which is super helpful and just a extra bonus that goes along with this entire platform. Now, this is only the learning section of IXL that I have just shared with you. There are other sections, including that diagnostic test and the analytics section, which is really great for parents to look at. And I can show you that in a different video if you're interested. But I really encourage you to check out IXL. It is a great resource. It could be used as a supplemental resource to your homeschool curriculum or just additional practice. I swear by this platform. If you'd like to check it out, click my link in the caption and give it a try. Thanks, guys.